In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show products by category using Woocommerce shortcodes. If you'd like to showcase items from a specific category on a page or post, Woocommerce makes it straightforward with a simple shortcode, and I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up. Start by opening your WordPress website and going to the dashboard. From the left menu, click Products, then click Categories. This is where all your product categories live. Find the category you want to display, click its name to open it, and then click Edit so you can view its details. On the Edit screen, look for the field labeled Slug. The slug is the short, URL-friendly version of your category name, usually lowercase with hyphens instead of spaces. Carefully select and copy the slug text. You'll paste this in a moment, so make sure you have only the slug, not the full URL. Now go to your site and open the page or post where you want these products to appear. In the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. Search for shortcode and insert the shortcode block. In that block, you'll enter the Woocommerce shortcode that shows products by category. Type products category and paste the slug you copied earlier between the quotation marks so it looks like products category, your category slug. That tells Woocommerce to pull in products from that specific category. When you're done, click Save to store your changes, then click Preview to see the result on the front end. You should now see products from that category displayed in a clean grid. If nothing appears, double-check that you pasted the exact slug, including any hyphens, and confirm that the category actually has published products assigned to it. A couple of quick tips as you review the preview. Make sure your page has enough space for the grid to render nicely, and remember that the layout and styling are controlled by your theme and any Woocommerce settings you already have in place. If you make adjustments to the category name later, the slug might not change automatically, so always rely on the slug field in the category edit screen rather than guessing. That's it. Open your site, add the shortcode block, paste the slug into the products category. Shortcode, save and preview. You now have a simple, reliable way to display products by category anywhere on your site using Woocommerce shortcodes.